Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and I never thought I could get excited about a faucet until I got this one from Decaura. When I first got this, the thing that impressed me the most was the quality. This is definitely a heavy duty faucet. I love how modern and sleek it looks, and nothing here feels inferior or like it will tarnish or fade anytime soon. Added to that, every part of this faucet moves and turns so smoothly and freely and with very little effort. It has three spray modes that are really responsive and help me get my dishes clean. I am telling you, it pretty much washed my dishes for me, which I'm not complaining about. If you've ever washed a big pot or anything on the larger side, you know how frustrating it is to make it fit under a low faucet, but I'm happy to say those troubles are gone for me for sure. I really appreciate the height of this because it makes washing those bigger items so easy and less messy. Setup was straightforward. The hardest part was getting our old faucet out, but once we did, our kitchen went from level 1 to level 10. It was an instant upgrade. Seriously, this faucet is top tier and has brought so much life into our kitchen and so much joy back into doing dishes. I highly recommend it. That's my point of view.